Have a good day everyone. Today we will see how to create a structural column by using AutoRebar in AutoCAD. Go drawing units, UN enter. Length type decimal, precision OK. Insertion scale set millimeters OK. Now go AutoRebar free tab. You can download and install this AutoRebar plugin for free through Autodesk. Okay, first go AutoRebar setting, go units. All units are set to millimeters. Okay, let's see. Go rectangle, rec enter. First corner point, dimension select D, enter. Length 250, enter. 250, enter. Click here. Okay, set enter, A enter. Zoom all, move M, enter. Select object. Okay, now go rebar panel, stirrup diameter 6 mm, enter. Concrete cover 25 mm, enter. Concrete corner, click here. First corner, opposite corner, click here. Okay, delete. Again stirrup diameter 6, enter. Cover in 25, enter. First corner, opposite corner, click here. Tool on this part. Okay, delete. Go settings, go stirrups, B length type 15, L length type 25. Okay, now go stirrup diameter 6, covering 25. First corner, opposite corner. Okay, double click to stirrup set. Dimensions lines, untick. Okay, double click, dimension lines tick. Scale 1 to 10. Okay, double click, dimensions untick. Okay, now go crosshair panel, click crosshair, diameter, bar diameter 16, enter. Click here, point. Okay, enter. Now go settings, rebar, crosshair type, click here. Internal X. Okay, fill all crosshair with solid edge, tick. Okay, it's okay. Now go mirror, MI, enter. Select mirror line, enter. Repeat mirror, select object, mirror line, enter. Okay, double click to stirrup set, modality type thin. Okay, double click to edit, modality thick. Okay, it's okay. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.